This is, without doubt, a hotly debated topic. After all, who's responsible for placing things like light fixtures? Who's responsible for the coordination of air terminals? Or the choice of toilets, for that matter? For the most part, it's the architect. But what about the lighting designer? Or the HVAC engineer, for that matter? Where does their input come in? So some of these questions have to be answered, but not in this video. What I want to do here is take you through the process of using the Copy Monitor tool to copy and monitor elements that the architect has placed, from which we, as MEP engineers and designers, can carry on with our design. In this exercise, you can either carry on from the previous exercise or open the file Chapter 504 Copy Monitor MEP Fixtures. Once again, from the Collaborate tab, click on Copy Monitor, select the link again. We're back at our old friend, the Copy Monitor ribbon. This time we're going to use the Batch Copy option. Revit tells us that there are new uncopied fixtures that have been found in the linked model architecture link. What would we like to do? We can either just straightforward copy the fixtures, and this is based on current mapping settings. As we don't know what the current type mapping settings are, let's specify that type mapping behaviour and then copy the fixtures. In this file, we're going to concentrate on lighting fixtures. Change the copy behaviour to allow batch copy, and we're going to copy the original. Then click on Copy. Revit goes through the process of copying those elements from the architect's file and pasting them into the same location in our file. This may take a few minutes depending on the complexity of your model. Once completed, click on Finish. We currently can't see any difference in our model. Click on the default 3D view in your Quick Access toolbar. In the 3D view, if we scroll in, we should be able to see light fittings in the model. We should also be able to select them, as these are the light fittings that have been copied and monitored from the architect's file. For each one, we can see the Copy Monitor symbol, but we're now also able to create power and switch systems to complete our design. As I said earlier in this video, this process isn't for the faint of heart, and it needs discussion with the architect and all the project engineers to make sure they're on board with this process.